Soon we're going to be gathering around our Christmas trees. I know we all want our Christmas tree to be beautiful, to sparkle, to have beautiful colors, and really give us the whole feeling that we're looking for Christmas. So today I wanted to show you a way that you could make a Christmas tree topper. And this is a custom bow that I have made. I make bows all through Christmas, and there's lots on my website. So I hope that you'll be inspired by this. Of course, I will put in the description all of the items that I used if you're interested in that. And so I hope you enjoy this. We're going to start out with these really pretty silver sparkly sprays. They are really going to dance, reflect light. And I'm going to start having these pretty tight to the top here. I've got 4 of them, and I hope that I can arrange this right because I'm not looking at this straight on, so bear with me here. And then we're just going to put them kind of in a triangle like that. There we go. And I'm just going to put one kind of to the front here. So next we're going to add these really fun red picks. Just kind of want to spread them out a little bit. And we're going to put one right in the front. And then one on each side as well. There we go. Now we're going to add in these really fun sparkly snowflakes. And we're pretty much going to do the same thing. Now if this is a little bit too big for you and you don't like it this big, you can always push those sprays in a little bit further. But let's see, let's add one up in here. Let's add one over here. Let's add one kind of down here in the front. Sometimes my tree is flocked, so it's a little bit, the branches are tighter together. There we go. So I made this bow to go with this tree topper. I make Christmas tree bows. I sell hundreds every year, and I've actually started to already stock up my website. So if you're interested in a Christmas tree bow, I have lots available in lots of different colors. So these are really easy to attach to your tree. There's a couple of green wires in the back, and we're just going to attach that right onto one of the tree stems. I want it down a little bit so that I can see everything. And I think that's too low, so I am going to add it up higher. Now I'm going to fluff my bow and make all of my streamers really pretty, so I'll do that. Okay, now that I have my bow on and I have all of my sprays going on up here, I want to add in a little bit on each side just to kind of, you know, frame this bow, so to speak. So I'm going to add in another one of the silver. On each side. I'm going to add in another one of the red sprays. And I'm kind of tucking that in. And then I'm going to come in with another of the snowflake sprays, but this time I'm going to put it kind of like at this angle. I'm going to go down up underneath there. And I mean, if this was too long and it were to stick out or whatever, you could just, you know, just cut that off. And as I'm looking at this now, I'm kind of thinking I'm going to move this up a little bit. I think I want to move this one up just slightly as well. Okay, and then we just have to add in our last snowflake spray over on this side. Oh, see, you can see how that is coming through on the other side. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut this off right here. So just to show you, these are my wire cutters. It just cuts it off really easily. I think I'm going to go ahead and just cut off this snowflake stem. Just makes it easier. And there we go. So I'm going to take a step back. I'm going to see if there's anything else that I feel like needs to be adjusted, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I took a step back. That's the hard part where I'm filming and I'm right up here on it and I can't look back very easily. This looks a little wrong to me. Like I feel like I need to have my red more up here. So that is the great thing, is you just, if you see something that needs to be moved, no problem. We'll just rearrange. And now we'll put the snowflakes back in place. All right, I think it looks pretty great. I hope that you're inspired. I hope this gets you thinking of how you could put together your own Christmas tree topper. Of course, I will have all of this stuff linked below in the description in case if you're interested in the products that I used. But let's take a closer look at this, and I would love it if you guys would like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.